everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can upload audio on Gamma AI. Now if you're new to this channel, please do me a favor, go to subscribe, subscribe and share this video so that more people can see this. So but if then you want to just upload this video, go to videos and video. You want to upload an audio to this place, go to videos and media, and you have your audio. You click on it, but then it's saying upload URL. You have to upload a link, but then go to your drive. I made a video on how to upload audio to Google Drive. You want to upload an audio, so what are you going to do? You click on share. You click on share. Once you click on share, be sure to edit the link. Anyone with the link can be able to view, so you can easily change it as restricted or anyone with the link. But now the link is copied right away. So what do you do now? You go back to your work, the work you were doing, and just paste the link right there. You paste the link, and you can edit the title if you want. You can edit the title if you want. Let's say master the art of savings. And this is from a work I was doing for one of the videos, so yeah, it's nice. I think it's done. You can also edit the way you want it to show. You can edit the way you want it to show. So now it's done. You can edit the color as well. Anything you want to add to it. You want it to be green and stuff. So there you go. You have your audio already inside the video, inside the Gamma on stuff we were doing. So if you click on display now, click on present and click here while your video is showing. Sorry. While you have a course online or something you want someone to easily play, you can take them.
Master the art of budgeting. Learn to track your expenses. Discover saving strategies to achieve financial goals. Make informed decisions about your money.
So this is a sample. Precisely, maybe you have a special explanation for what you just did, or something you want people to know about, but this is basically how to upload an audio on Gamma. So now you exit you exit, and this is basically it.